Since 1966, TPI has been leading the industry, providing a massive range of custom-designed ball bearings and bearings for global industry. Our bearings are used throughout the world by major manufacturers who trust in the stable quality of our products.
TPI's development strength is one of the main reasons why DT Swiss has worked together with TPI for such a long time. It's really what sets them apart from others and what's helped us to develop a lot of great products together with them.
The key to our success is our ability to develop bearing designs for many major markets, and we achieve the quality and volume of production required through our advanced automated production facilities to ensure a total quality management of all aspects of our production. We also ensure that we use the latest and most efficient production technologies to automate our process and deliver the stable, consistent product quality that our global customers demand. Our bearings are at the heart of our customers' products, and they rely on us to deliver the absolute quality guarantee that TPI is renowned for. Thorough testing at all stages of the production process is key to our product success in the market, and we've invested in all of the latest quality management and testing facilities to deliver the absolute best to our customers every time. We are committed to environmental issues and make every effort to ensure that we manage our waste and energy usage as efficiently as possible.